We are in Taos and just filled up with gas. It's like 130 miles. A couple of hours to get from Albuquerque to Taos. We're going to take a little bit of a different route home. We're going to go like through these mountains here and we'll pop out on the other side onto I-25. But I wanted to take this because I've never ridden a motorcycle on it before. Driven it once and I remember thinking, wow, this road is awesome. And it'll be something different than just seeing the same scenery on the way back to Colorado Springs that we saw coming from Colorado Springs. Angel Fire, Eagle's Nest, Cimarron. That's the way we want to go. But I think we're looking for Route 64, I believe. But yeah, there you go. 2 US 64. That's the way we're gonna go. Yeah. It's kind of bumpy. This should be awesome.
So the awesomeness didn't last terribly long. We were climbing up this small mountain pass and traffic stopped. Looks like they've got one lane shut down on the other side of the pass. We'll show you that in a second. But before we get to that, a little pro tip for you guys. Anytime you get a chance to get off the motorcycle, do it. Check your soft luggage. If you have soft luggage, make sure everything is strapped down correctly. And then most importantly, stretch. Get a stretch in. It'll help you last a little bit longer on the motorcycle and get more miles. All right, so two things come to mind as we head down the other side of this mountain pass with one lane closed. The first thing is even though I'm still stuck in all this traffic and one lane is shut down, this is still a pretty nice ride. And I definitely want to come back here maybe at the end of summer when they finished all this construction, but take a look at all of the erosion that's washed out into the near lane next to the mountainside here, man. They've got tree limbs, rocks, but mostly like tons of just dirt and gravel that's come off of the mountain. I think they've probably had some flash flooding come through here, some heavy thunderstorms if nothing else, and yeah, everything's just washed out into the road. So maybe at the end of summer we'll come back and do this ride with hopefully all the construction finished. Once you get down the other side of the mountain pass, you get dropped out into this really cool valley where Eagle's Nest is.
It's Memorial Day weekend. Bikes everywhere. This is a super popular route, obviously. We're in Eagle's Nest. Eagle's Nest, and we're headed towards Cimarron. We're going to follow those bikes right there. Pretty happy I came this way. This is a super nice ride. I'm going to keep recording, but I got to plug in my charger, and that means I got to unplug my mic. So I know you're super disappointed. You don't get to hear me talk. But we're going to keep recording because I think still some awesome riding left before we get to Raton. I think like from Cimarron to Raton is kind of straight, flat, crappy. Nothing to see here, folks. Kind of a ride. But between here and Cimarron, I think it's still pretty nice. So enjoy the ride.
You've been lost and alone.
Well, as you can see, there's not much out here. It's kind of prairie-ish. Like, I mean, there's some mountains over there, but not much going on. Not much to show you. Not much to talk about. And we're almost to the interstate, and then it's like 2 hours of interstate, and I'll be home. So I think, unless something interesting happens, oh boy, there's a car coming. I'm gonna speed up. Unless something interesting happens, this is the end of the video. So, you know what to do. Keep the rubber side down. We'll see you in the next one.